That denim jacket in the back of your closet, the one you've been told is too young after 60, it's not the jacket, it's the styling. Wrong layers, wrong proportions, the wrong shoe, and a genuinely powerful piece ends up looking like an afterthought. Today, 8 ways to wear a denim jacket over 60, ranked from good to almost couture. I'm ranking them by one thing only: how dramatically each move changes the way the jacket reads. Number 1 changes it completely. Stay for that one. This is how to wear a denim jacket over 60 and actually look expensive doing it. No fluff, no age rules, just what works. If that's your kind of channel, subscribe now. We do this exact thing every week. One quick thing, because it'll make every number land faster. I used to tell women simply wear better shoes or add a scarf, and it never stuck because there was no reason behind it. So here's the reason. Everything today runs on what I call the High-Low Denim Protocol. Denim is rugged by nature, and every move on this list works because it puts something against that ruggedness, soft, structured, or unexpected. That tension is what makes denim jacket outfits for women over 60 look put together instead of leftover. Keep that in mind from 8 to 1. Which rule about denim were you taught growing up? Tell me in the comments. Let's unlearn it together. Starting at 8, the smallest move with real payoff. As hair moves towards silver or a cooler blonde, the golden undertone in classic indigo can fight your complexion. Dark, unwashed indigo behaves like a navy blazer, slimming, sharp. Ecru reflects warm light onto your jawline. And if you've gone silver, charcoal denim creates a tonal harmony blue can't touch. Picture this. Silver hair, a charcoal jacket, a red lip, walking into a restaurant and every head turning half a second longer than usual. That's the whole trick, matching temperature, not just color. Ranked 8 because it's a refinement, not a transformation. But it's the detail that makes every other move on this list look deliberate. Number 7 quietly sabotages everything else here. Beautifully styled jacket, perfect proportions, then a shapeless sneaker because it's easy. The whole outfit reads comfortable instead of chosen. The jacket is casual by nature. The shoe has to bring the structure back. A pointed flat, a Chelsea boot with a small block heel, a loafer with a gold bit. Even 1 inch of heel changes your posture and the way the jacket sits. Picture the same outfit twice, once in a soft rounded flat, once in a sharp pointed loafer, same jacket, same trousers. One reads errand day, the other reads she meant every piece of this. That's the entire idea in one image. If you just mentally swapped a pair of shoes, tapped like right now, 3 sharper tips are still ahead. Number 6 works on every woman, any body type, any hair color. Blue denim with crisp white. Warm neutrals underneath cream, sand, beige. Keep it current. Medium wash jacket, sleeves rolled over white wide leg trousers. An oatmeal knit tucked in. A cognac belt and loafers tying blue and white together. It's the reliable classic on this list, the one stylish women reach for without even thinking because it never once looks like it's trying. Rank 6 not because it's weak, but because the payoff, while real, doesn't shift how people see you the way the top 5 do. Number 5, denim on denim. For years, the rule was never ever do it. Too ranch hand. I want to be blunt about this, that rule is outdated, and it was never really about taste. It was about keeping women over a certain age small and careful. I'm done with it. So is this look? The secret is the 2-shade rule. Contrast, not a match. A crisp dark jacket with a lighter mid-wash jean or a lived-in jacket over very clean dark trousers, a white button-down underneath, collar and cuffs peeking out. A leopard print loafer or tan boot for a third texture. That's not an outfit. That's a look. Ranked 5 because it takes real confidence, high reward, but it asks something of you first. Have you ever been told a piece was too young for you and quietly believed it? Tell me. I read every comment. Number 4 surprised even me. What sits against your skin at the collar matters more than the jacket itself. Pair stiff denim with more stiffness, heavy cotton, cargo, and it tips into yard work. Put something with sheen right at your face instead. A champagne silk blouse, 2 buttons open, a thin gold chain, or fine cashmere underneath. That contrast is what reads as expensive, not the price tag. The tension, and you likely already own the silk blouse. You just haven't put it under this jacket yet. Number 3 is pure geometry. Loose top, loose bottom, boxy jacket over baggy trousers. Your shape disappears. The fix, the jacket is naturally cropped, hitting at the hip. Pair that with a high-waisted, wide-leg trouser and you get a genuine A-line waist defined, nothing squeezed. A light wash jacket over high-waisted oatmeal linen trousers, a tucked rib tank, a leather slide, or sharper, a dark indigo jacket over charcoal wide-leg wool, a pointed boot peeking under the hem. This is the moment the whole silhouette snaps into place, structure on top, movement below. Which of these have you already been doing, even by accident? Number 2. If you remember one thing from this video, it's probably this. The biggest mistake: a nice top, a patterned scarf, a belt, contrasting trousers, then a denim jacket over all of it. Instead of pulled together, it reads chopped up. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. One color, neck to ankle, under the jacket, navy on navy, all black. Cream, top to bottom. That unbroken column reads as one long, elegant line, and the jacket adds texture with nothing to compete against. An all-white base, just a medium wash jacket over it that's not casual weekend, that's quiet luxury. Same jacket, completely different woman, same 15 seconds it took you to get dressed. Rank number 2, the single highest leverage change on this list, but it's still not the one I promised you. That one's now. Number 1, the almost couture move. Most women choose between a blazer polished but stiff and a cardigan soft but shapeless. Here's the move almost nobody makes. Treat the denim jacket exactly like a tailored blazer. A blazer's job is shoulder definition and framing the torso. A well-fitted denim jacket does the identical job, softer and more modern. Swap your navy blazer for dark indigo over a floral midi dress or a black pleated skirt, collar turned up, cuffs folded back over the jacket sleeves, a sleek pointed flat to finish. I've watched this exact swap happen in real time. Same woman, same dress, blazer off, denim jacket on, and the outfit went from nice for church to where did you get that jacket in about 4 seconds. Nothing else changed. That's why it's number 1. It's the move that changes how you see the whole piece. Once denim stops being the casual jacket and becomes your structured layer, you stop reaching past it. You reach for it first. Style doesn't expire at 60. The fashion world stopped talking to us. A lot of us just accepted the silence. Every day that jacket hangs unused is a missed outfit, not a saved one. Pick one number, just one, and wear it this week. Tell me which number you're starting with. 8 through 1, I read every comment. Subscribe to Stylish 60 plus elegant, confident style over 60 every week, no expiration date. I'll see you in the next one. Wear that jacket like it's number one.